I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cookies like Starbucks. First, gather all your ingredients to ensure a smooth baking process. You'll need unsalted butter, a combination of brown and white sugar, and eggs at room temperature. Having everything ready makes the baking experience much more enjoyable and efficient. This preparation step is key for consistent, delicious results every time. Next, cream your softened butter with both the brown and white sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. This aeration is crucial for a tender cookie. Then, incorporate your room temperature eggs one at a time, mixing thoroughly after each addition. Finally, chill your cookie dough for at least 30 minutes. This step helps prevent spreading and develops richer flavors, giving you that perfect texture. Now it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Scoop generous portions of your chilled dough onto a baking sheet, ensuring you leave about 2 inches of space between each cookie for even baking. Bake them for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are beautifully golden brown. Keep a close eye on them to achieve that ideal chewy center and slightly crisp edge. Once baked, let your cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This allows them to set up properly before you move them. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This ensures a perfectly firm yet chewy cookie. Once cooled, your delicious cookies are ready to enjoy. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.